So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to send money from PayPal to GCash. So first of all, you will need to go to your GCash either app or your web account. So if you go to here to type in GCash, just go ahead and open it up from your finance category. Once you've done that, you can go to cash in on the home screen. And from that point, you can select global banks and partners. And then from that list, you will get PayPal. So using GCash is simple through there. You can see these options right there and choose PayPal. After that, you can enter the amount in Philippine pesos since GCash is mainly used for Philippines, and you can tap on next. From that point, you can just review the details and tap confirm. So from that point, you can also get that information through your PayPal account. So if you want to send or request, if you click on send, you will just need to add that GCash information. So once you've done all that, you will need to follow the steps that I laid out from your GCash app to get to cash in, and then you can select global banks and partners and select PayPal to enter your transfer amount and PHP, as I mentioned before, so Philippines pesos, and confirm that transaction. So once that's done, you won't have to worry about that anymore. It's going to be completed, but it just needs about 24 to 48 hours to be completed. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share a video. You can subscribe to their channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on PayPal or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.